Some folks can consider it presumptive that people pin the tag on themselves as being best in class. Some might find it arrogant that people call themselves best in class. I think that moniker has gotten tied to us based on the results that we've provided to our customers. That our customers are saying, this is what you are to us. You are key to our procurement strategy. You are doing this above and beyond others in the industry. So what has driven our customers to see us as best in class in the additive manufacturing industry? And that's probably a question that I could take the next 2 hours to answer, right? Because there's a lot of idiosyncrasies that go into that. I think number one is the level of communication and collaboration that we have with our customers. We have customers that come to us that they don't know how to execute their end solution. They come to us with a sketch and say, this is what we want to do. And our team can help mold that sketch into 100, 200, 300 parts per year. Or they can come to us with a challenge and they can say, our price target is this, and we need to deliver 40 parts a week. The easy solution is, sure, we'll go buy 50 machines. We can't meet your price target, but we can meet your requirements for rate. And we know that customers aren't asking for cost plus quality plus delivery schedule because they just want it. Those are the demands that they have from their customers. Those are the demands that they have to remain competitive in the marketplace. So that differentiation for KAM is that ability to allow our teams to develop these solutions in a way that satisfies really all the needs of our customers. Everyone always talks about the Venn diagram of cost, quality, and delivery and say you can never have all three. And while that may be true, KAM is going to work very hard to contradict that statement. This is a very challenging industry. This isn't, we bought some machines and we put them on the floor and we start making parts tomorrow. That differentiation is driven by how we approach every problem that walks through the door. Problems maybe not the best word. Our customers maybe wouldn't want us to consider the projects that they bring us as problems, but the reality is they have a need. And KAM wants to be forefront on solving those needs in the most cost-effective, quality-driven mentality. So that differentiation is driven off of our ability to understand the customer's requirements, communicate effectively, and allow our teams the individual freedoms required to bring the ideas to life, but also make sure that they're doing it within the confines that meet the requirements that our customers have.